Today I'm talking about the 2023 Toyota Camry. It's available with a 3.5 litre V6 producing 301 horsepower, or a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder hybrid with 208 horsepower, or a non-hybrid 4-cylinder with 203 horsepower. Power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic gearbox or ECVT, and it's available with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Trim levels include LE, SE, XLE and XSE for the hybrid, and of course for the non-hybrids LE, SE, XLE, XSE and TRD. Of course the interior is a premium and high quality. The exterior is sporty and premium. Standard features include 8-way power driver seat, leather seats, heated front seats, ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 10-inch heads-up display, 9-speaker JBL sound system or a 6-speaker sound system, 9-inch touchscreen, or a 4.2-inch or a 7-inch MID. And of course rear air vents as well, and most standard features are available. Now in terms of prices, the hybrid model starts from $29,170 all the way up to $34,000 plus, and the non-hybrid version start from $27,000 plus up to all the way up to $34,055. So overall, in terms of comfort, luxury, value for money and performance and quality and everything, the Toyota Camry is still the king and the class leader of mid-size cars. And that's a fact. The new Hyundai Accord is a disappointment and the Koreans can't even come close. So well done Toyota. Excellent job, and the Camry is a class leader.